This is a test. This is only a test. I'm testing to see and make sure everything is good. Everything is working properly. This is my studio. I know that when I look in the camera like this, you could tell I'm looking at you. A lot of people, a lot of videos that I watch, they're they're looking at, I don't know what they're looking at on their side of the screen, but they're not looking at you like I'm looking at you now. You look at the camera, you look at the actual hole, the circle, and the little light, okay? But a lot of people just, I don't know, I guess they look at themselves in the little screen. You know what I mean? I don't know. I don't know if you know what I mean, but this is a test. This is only a test. I'm going to act like it's a 3 minute video. I'm going to stop it before the 3 minute mark just to see if it works. I've been messing with my settings. I've been going in, digging around the advanced level of sound, input, volume, output, making sure because I have like the big screen SD, HDMI, whatever TV that the sound can come out of. I got the Realtek laptop that the sound can come out of. Then I've got the Alexis speakers that the sound could come out of. And I'm like, where's the sound supposed to be coming out of? Not only that, we've got this in addition to where the sound is supposed to be going into. There's nowhere to hold it. I'm not going to hold this thing up here, and if I'm playing the piano, the sound should be picking up wherever. It sounds like a surround sound. You know what I mean? So I don't even have to. My mouth is big, is huge. I was going to say my mouth is huge. My mouth is huge. I can speak loudly without having to have a microphone. But I'm thinking if I did put it like right here, not only would it be, it doesn't have to be in the way. So I think it could, yeah, it could actually stay right there and be cool. I think I like it right there, in fact. Um, so that's going to work. And then we have, so when I'm doing my piano videos, this is not the piano channel, but when I'm doing my piano videos, it seems like this setup would work actually perfectly. This is a 3 minute mark. I'm going to go ahead and stop it now.